Hi everyone, sorry I've not done a video in a while. As you can probably tell, I'm going to do poppets on this video. These are actually my daughter's poppets. I'm going to try and remember where they're from and how much they are, or at least give you a rough idea. Obviously this video isn't sponsored. If you're not familiar with a poppet, it's basically a fidget toy, and it's done like bubble wrap, so you can push the bubbles through like so. One side is noisier than the other. Obviously the way I'm holding it doesn't help. So this one is like a greeny blue. It doesn't really actually show the colour very well on here. I think this one was from eBay. I think it was sort of £3.50 with free postage. I don't know who the seller was, but it was quite some time ago. So this is the noisier side. Okay, that's that one. Then she's got this rainbow coloured one, square one. This was just somebody on Facebook was selling. I think it was £3. I think this is probably the quiet side. And then this side. There we go. There's a game you can play with this as well, which I think it's actually a proper game that you're meant to play. You take it in turns, and then basically you can put down any amount of bubbles, pop it down, you know, say I wanted to do 2, but they have to be on the same row and they have to be together, so you can't do one there and one there, or one there and one there. So say I did those 2, then the next person would have their go, and they can do it anywhere. They can just do 1, or they can do 3, or whatever, and then you carry on going, and then whoever's the last one to pop the bubble, the last bubble, is the loser. So you basically don't want to be the last one. It's quite a good little game, simple, something to do, keep the kids entertained. My daughter is 9 years old and she loves these. So the next 2 came from the factory outlet shop. From memory, I think they were £3. It wasn't actually that long ago that she got them. These ones are a bit more sort of rubbery, is the only way I can explain them really, but they're still good quality. Obviously this is a dinosaur. This is probably the quiet side. Let's try the other side. Yeah, but they're very good. They are good, I must admit. Even adults like them. So, and then this one, same shop, same price. Flower. And you can also have races, so you can put one the quickest. Right, now the next 4 come from Home Bargains, and they were £2. No, they wasn't. They were £1.49 each, which I thought was really good. It's probably the cheapest I've seen them, and they're basically the same quality as the other ones. So they're, you know, still good quality. So she chose a star one. This is the quiet side, I think. It's hard to do this when you're holding it a certain way. I need to... They're all popping themselves now. There we go. This one actually pops very easily. You just have to literally touch it slightly. There we go. Right, so then she got a pink heart. I'm not going to bore you by doing all of them. This is the quiet side. I don't know why one side's quieter, whether it's the way that the rubber goes. Plastic, where it is. And then she got a green hexagon one. Same price, same place, obviously. Factory outlet shop. And they were... Oh, sorry, not the factory outlet shop. The Home Bargains. £1.49. And then she got another square one. A pink one. It's like a magenta. I'll just do a few. So there we go. I'll probably do some other videos with some fidget toys. She's got loads of them, and they are a very popular thing at the moment. But yeah, so I'll do another video soon. Hopefully I won't leave it as long this time. Thanks for watching. Bye.